Embark on a journey into the intricate landscape of love and relationships, where conventional wisdom intertwines with cutting-edge insights. In this exploration, we delve into the essence of love, likening it to a vital sustenance that nourishes the soul. As we navigate through the complexities of human connection, we unravel the profound truth. Love thrives not in grand gestures, but in the tender moments of everyday life. Join me as we unravel the secrets to sustaining love, one micro moment at a time. 1. Real love begins in disillusionment and incompatibility. Real love blossoms amidst disillusionment and incompatibility, contrary to the romanticized notions we hold. Reflecting on Carlin, I recall the allure of being pursued, a departure from my usual role. Yet, as our marriage matured, her attention waned, fueling my sense of neglect. Our once shared interests faded, and distance crept in. Rather than severing ties, we delved deeper. Amidst the turmoil, we unearthed profound truths. Our discontent stemmed from idealized visions, not reality. Embracing our imperfections, we embarked on a journey of mutual understanding and self-discovery. In this process, genuine love took root, transcending superficial expectations. 2. Falling in love is not a good reason to get married, and falling out of love is not a good reason to get divorced. Love alone shouldn't be the sole basis for marriage, just as its absence shouldn't trigger divorce. Despite this wisdom, many yearn for the euphoria of falling in love. Clients often confide, "I still love them, but the spark is gone." They cite waning chemistry or growing apart as grounds for separation. Diane Solly, a marriage counselor, aptly quips, "To divorce for love's demise is akin to selling a car for lack of fuel." Instead of parting ways, couples should strive to reignite the flame by refueling the tank of love. 3. Love is not what you think. Love defies conventional understanding. Initially, I believed it resided within a committed relationship, an intrinsic part of our shared existence. Over time, I realized it wasn't a static element, but a dynamic force requiring nurture. I once envisioned love as a separate entity, moving in with us upon declaration. I vaguely grasped the necessity of nurturing it, assuming as long as love was in the house, all would be well. This perception painted love as a capricious being, entering and departing at will. Its absence rendered relationships devoid of affection, reducing partners to mere cohabitants. Alternatively, some sought new lovers to recreate the elusive trio of you, me, and love. 4. Love is the emotion of connection. Love, as per the burgeoning science, isn't a static state, but an emotion ignited by specific interactions. Barbara Fredrickson, Ph.D., author of Love 2.0, redefines love beyond conventional relationship paradigms. She posits that it isn't an abstract concept one falls into or out of, but a transient yet profound moment of warmth and connection shared with another being. This perspective portrays love as an ephemeral exchange, emerging and dissipating in fleeting instances. Contrary to entrenched beliefs, love isn't a fixed entity, but a dynamic force, continuously shaped by our interactions. Understanding love in this context challenges traditional notions, revealing its nuanced and transient yet deeply enriching nature. 5. Love is like food. You can't go long without it, and you need it at least 3 times a day. Love, akin to sustenance, is indispensable for our emotional well-being, requiring regular nourishment to thrive. It flourishes in environments where we feel seen, heard, and supported, but withers in the face of fear. While monumental occasions like weddings and anniversaries are celebrated, sustaining love demands daily investment. Mere verbal affirmations aren't sufficient. Genuine emotional connection necessitates consistent demonstration of care and intimacy. It's evident in mundane interactions, like requesting a glass of water or picking up groceries. These micro moments of connection, occurring at least thrice daily, are essential for the vitality of relationships. Just as starvation leads to physical decline, neglecting emotional needs jeopardizes the health of our hearts. Hence, fostering love requires deliberate efforts to nourish the bond daily.